Hello students, we are studying the topic construction of triangles. In that first topic we had done to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. Length of three sides was given to us and we constructed triangle. In the second topic what we had done to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Two sides were given and the angle included means angle between these two sides was given to us and we constructed triangle. Then we solved practice set 3. Now we are going to start with the third type. The third type is to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. Included side means the side between the two given angles. So we will see one example in this. We have to construct triangle XYZ such that length XY is 6 centimeter. So first we will draw a rough figure. Length XY will be 6 centimeter. Then here the full name of the angle is given. So what we have to remember, in the first lecture only I told you that the vertex of the angle is always in the center of its name. नाम के सेंटर में जो है वही एंगल की वर्टेक्स होती है. सो यहाँ पे सेंटर में x है, मतलब x एंगल है 30 डिग्री. सो फ्रॉम x वी विल ड्रॉ एंगल 30 डिग्री एंड y एंगल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे y सेंटर में है तो y एंगल है हमारा 100 डिग्री. 100 डिग्री मीन्स ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. सो y से हम बनाएंगे 100 डिग्री obtuse angle. So this is 100 degree and this point is our Z point. So this is our rough diagram. XY 6 centimeter, XY 6 centimeter, angle X is 30 degree. See what they have given, Z, X, Y. So Z, X, Y 30 degree and X, Y, Z 100 degree. obtuse है तो बड़ा दिखेगा, 100 डिग्री ऐसा एक्यूट नहीं दिखेगा. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द एक्चुअल प्रोसीजर. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ड्रॉ अ बेस. हाउ मच इज द बेस? 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज 0 and this is 6. So give dots and join 0 and 6. So this is your side XY. Give it name XY and measurement is 6 centimeter. Now from the point X we have to draw 30 degree angle. So keep the center on X, keep the base on our segment. Now 30 डिग्री यहाँ पे भी है, 30 डिग्री यहाँ पे भी है, तो कौन सा लेना है? हमारा जो साइड है वो सेंटर के राइट हैंड साइड में है. ये XY हमारा राइट साइड में है तो हम 30 डिग्री भी राइट साइड वाला ही लेंगे. सो हियर वी विल मार्क द पॉइंट एंड वी विल जॉइन दिस. एज इट इज़ एन एंगल वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रे. एंगल है तो रे बनेगी विदाउट एनी मेजरमेंट. देन फ्रॉम Y हाउ मच वी हैव टू टेक? 100 डिग्री. नाउ कीप द protractor on the point Y. Keep the center of the protractor on the point Y like this. अब हमारी साइड XY लेफ्ट में है, सेंटर के लेफ्ट में है, तो लेफ्ट वाला 0 ये यहाँ है बाहर में, तो यहाँ से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 100. सो दिस इज़ अवर 100 डिग्री पॉइंट. यहाँ पे भी 100 है पर ये 100 नहीं लेना है क्योंकि ये 100 के लिए काउंटिंग इस 0 से स्टार्ट होगी और ये 0 हम नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि हमारा साइड XY सेंटर के लेफ़्ट में है, तो हमें लेफ़्ट वाले 0 से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करके 100 तक आना है. सो जॉइन दिस डॉट एंड द पॉइंट Y. सो दिस इज़ अवर angle of 100 degree and this is the angle of 30 degree and after drawing the two angles, these two rays, they join each other automatically. So this point of intersection is our point Z. This is our point Z. So the required triangle is this X, Y and Z. ये दोनों साइड्स मालूम नहीं है, सिर्फ एक साइड दी है और दो एंगल दिए हैं, और वो साइड कौन सी दी है, इन एंगल्स के बीच वाली साइड. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि ये दो एंगल दिए हैं और साइड ये वाली दी है, फिर हम ट्राइंगल नहीं बना सकते. दो एंगल्स के बीच वाली साइड ही क्वेश्चन में गिवन रहना चाहिए, देन ओनली वी कैन मेक सच अ triangle. Okay, understood? Now we will take one more example from practice set 4. From practice set 4. So this is our practice set 4. In this we will solve the first example. Okay, so write down heading practice set 4. First example, here in triangle SAT, length 80 equal to 6.4 centimeter is given. Measure angle A is given 45 degree and measure angle T is given 105 degree. So you can see that whichever angles are given, see angle A and angle T is given, so side also AT is given. जो दो एंगल दिए हैं उसी के बीच वाली साइड की मेजरमेंट दी है. So how will be the rough figure? First we will draw AT 6.4 centimeter. एंगल A is 45 degree means acute angle, तो वो ऐसे दिखेगा. And angle T is 105 means obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means बड़ा वाला, तो वो ऐसे दिखेगा. So our triangle will look little bit like this, and this will be our point S. This is 45 degree and this is 105 degree, and this is our rough figure. Now we will start with the fair figure. First step, draw the base. So base is 6.4. So what I will take here, see this is 6 and fourth line after this means this point. So this is 0 and this is 6.4. Join both the dots. Write down its name and write down the measurement 6.4 centimeter. Then we have to draw angle of 45 degree at A. So keep the protractor at A and take the 0 on the right side because our side is on the right side of the center. Count from here. This is 40 and 5 lines after this means this line. So take here 45 degree. Join both the points. Now from T we have to take 105 degree. So keep the center at the point T. Now which 0, right or left? Left 0 क्योंकि हमारी साइड सेंटर के लेफ्ट में है. Now start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105 मतलब 100 के बाद वाली फिफ्थ लाइन. So here it will come. Join it, point T and this dot. Now you will observe that these two lines are not intersecting. So what we will do? We will rub this rough figure and we will extend these two lines. So just let me rub this rough figure and extend it. It is a ray, so we can extend it till wherever we want. So we will extend it until both the rays touch each other. So it will look like this. So this is our point. Give here a dot. This is our point S. Write down here 45 degree and write down here 105 degree. So while writing in notebook, what you will do, draw the rough figure over here in this example. Only for this example you can draw a rough figure over the right side. So this is our rough figure. Understood? So do this first example in your notebook. Then tomorrow we will continue with the second, third and fourth example. Understood this much? Two angles are given and the side between these two angles is given. Then simply draw the base, draw two angles and they will automatically get joined and your triangle will be formed. Okay. Thank you.